welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Today we are going to walk you through how to install Android Studio and configure the SDK in the right way, step by step. Let's start with the basics. Downloading the Android Studio. Head over to the official site of Android, developer.android.com Studio. Click on that big download Android Studio button. Accept the terms and conditions. And if you have your Mac with Apple chip, select that option. Your Android Studio is started with the download. If you scroll down, you will see more download options. From here, you can download for Windows, for Mac, or for Linux. So we have Android Studio already downloaded. So let's open this. After opening the Android, this interface will be shown to you. Here you can create your new project or you can open the existing project. Now let's create the new project. After selecting the new project screen, you will be shown with this interface. And if you are working only in Kotlin, you need to select the empty activity. And if you are working with Kotlin and XML, then you are required to select the empty views activity. So we will select the empty views activity. Click on the next. Write down the name of your project, your package name, which is always a unique name. And this is the location where your project is saved. And you need to select your language, Java or Kotlin. But we are selecting the language Kotlin because Kotlin is officially declared and officially recommended by Google in 2017, and Java language is deprecated. And this is the minimum SDK. So now let's create the new project. So this is the screen after creating our new project, and here our Gradle is running. On the left side, we have the directories related to the project, and in the center, we have the main activity. And on the right side, you can see the device manager where our added devices are shown. So, all right, now our Android Studio is downloaded. Now let's download the SDK, which is the software development kit. So, SDK is a collection of tools, libraries, documentations, and code samples that developers use to build applications for a specific platform, as in Android. So, once inside the Android Studio, go to the tools. Let's close the device manager. So, we will go to the tools, select the SDK Manager. So, this is the list of all the SDKs provided by Google according to the Android versions. Make sure you have the latest Android SDK version installed, like we have latest version Android 16. So select anyone, Android 15 or Android 16. So let's select Android 16. Apply it. Please wait until the request sections are completed. So let's finish it. And now our SDK is installed. So easy. So you have officially installed the Android Studio and configured the SDK. So here you are ready to start building your first Android app. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow developers. If you got any questions, drop them in the comments. I will reply to all of them. And don't forget to subscribe for more development tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy coding. Thank you.